Laptop ASUS Vivobook M3502Q features a sleek and lightweight design, making it easily portable. The build quality feels steady and durable. It comes with a 15.6-inch 2.8K 2880 by 1620 OLED 120Hz display that offers sharp and vibrant visuals. The visuals are relatively slim, providing an immersive viewing experience. This laptop is powered by an AMD Ryzen 5 5600H mobile processor, 3.3 GHz up to 4.2 GHz max boost, 6-core 12-thread 19 MB cache, which delivers smooth performance for everyday tasks like web browsing, streaming video, and office productivity. However, it may struggle with heavier tasks or gaming. It comes with a SSD drive 512 GB M.2 NVMe that provides fast boot time and quick file access. RAM 8 GB DDR4 on board is sufficient for multitasking and running multiple applications simultaneously. The laptop has integrated AMD Radeon graphics which can handle light gaming and multimedia tasks. However, it may not be suitable for running graphic-intensive games or complex design software. It offers a good selection of ports including USB Type-A, USB Type-C, HDMI, and combo audio jack. It also supports Wi-Fi and Bluetooth for wireless connectivity. Battery 78-hour life is decent, providing around 5 to 8 hours of usage on a single charge, depending on your usage pattern. The keyboard layout is comfortable to type on, with good key travel and feedback. The touchpad is responsive and supports multi-touch gesture. The laptop speaker produces average sound quality. It is recommended to use headphone or external speaker for a better audio experience. Overall, the ASUS Vivobook M3502Q is a reliable laptop for everyday use. It offers a good balance of performance, portability, and affordability. However, if you have more demanding tasks like gaming or video editing, you might want to consider a higher-end model.
Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're giving me wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite.